everyone. So today I want to make Vetkoek, or as it's called, Amagwinyas in South Africa, and in Afrikaans it's called Vetkoek. It's a really simple carbohydrate to make. You will just need 1 kg of self-raising flour. You'll need 2 teaspoons of salt, and you'll need 1 kg of Greek yogurt or double cream. I've decided to use this because it's quicker and I can't find any yeast in the stores due to the lockdown. So let's get into it. I'll just start mixing this. It's super simple. You just put everything together and then you knead it like you're going to make some bread. So what can you have with Vetkoek? You can have curry, you can have any one pot dish that's not that needs a carbohydrate like rice or something like that. Or if you want to sweeten it up, you could have it with sprinkle some icing sugar over it, and you could have it with Nutella, you could have it with fruit. This is a really versatile carbohydrate to have. It can replace pancakes and it comes out soft and fluffy. So all I'm going to do now is just mix it all together. And when it comes together in the bowl, then you're going to transfer it onto a surface, and then you're going to need that. You're going to need to oil your surface first, just to prevent it sticking to the surface a little bit. Yeah, so I'm just trying to combine the dough here. Smells good. You want to roll this out to about a bread roll kind of thickness. Okay, you're going to do that until all your dough has been shaped, and then you're going to make that sit for about half an hour covered. Like that. And then we will get the oil ready for frying in half an hour. See you soon. Okay, so you have been letting your raw Vetkoek rest for half an hour. I have put vegetable oil, and that's what we've been using all along to coat the surface where your Vetkoek are going to rest. And also I've put about that much oil into a pan, and I don't have a thermometer today, so what I've done is I've put a little bit of dough into the oil, and that is what I'm looking for, is a bubbling kind of thing, so that, because you want your Vetkoek to cook on a really high heat. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fry them up. Also, that's about the thickness that you want, and so I don't burn myself, I'm going to do that. Okay, so when your Vetkoek, it's been frying for about 3 minutes now, and when your Vetkoek has turned a golden brown, you turn it over, and I'll show you what that looks like. There you go, they're looking lovely. It's exactly what you want. And you're going to let that brown on the other side as well. And then you're going to turn it over onto a surface that can absorb the oil. Like that. I just put some paper towels down in readiness for my Vetkoek. So to check whether your Vetkoek is ready underneath, you just lift it up and you have a look. It's far too white, so I'm going to turn it back down like that. Okay, so this is really what you're looking for. You're looking for a nice and brown Vetkoek. The reason why you're looking for this particular hue or color is because you want to make sure that it's cooked on the inside. I'm just going to remove this from the oil and let it drain, and then I'm going to continue cooking the rest of the Vetkoek. You'll see it's raised a bit, it's looking nice and fluffy. I've fried all my Vetkoek. It's been cooling down for quite some time. You can have it immediately if you're having a hot curry with it or a stew. But I just want to show you the inside of it. It looks like quite a denser dough, and it's got a sweetness to it like a donut or bread, which then lends itself that it can be paired with anything. I'm going to show you a few combinations today. So I'll do this with a curry. So here in my previous post, you'll see that I've done a minced and baked beans curry. So I'm just gonna pop that on there. Oops, and I'm going to put that with a carrot, a bit of grated carrot. You'll see it's looking good. And now for the sweet ingredients. It's just, you can pair anything with it. It's things like Nutella with fruit, cream. You can put blueberries together, virtually anything that takes your fancy today. Also for this next one, I'm going to be pairing some banana, so I'll just chop that up. And I'm going to be using this caramel sauce. It's just store-bought, and I haven't made my own because with kids, they just want something that they can throw together really quickly. So I've got my caramel sauce here, and it's just like making some bread. And then I've got some whipped cream. And then I'm going to put the bananas on top of that. And of course, we all know that cinnamon goes really well with bananas. So I'm just going to sprinkle some cinnamon on top of that. And then I'm just going to sift some icing sugar on top of that. For some sweetness. If you like, you can do another layer on top and then just maybe put some Nutella on it, and you can add another layer. Now we're going to do the second sweet option. So I've just got some Nutella here. It's just, if you don't know what Nutella is, it's just a hazelnut spread. Everybody loves Nutella. And I'm just going to spread that on like it's a sandwich. With some cream. And spread that. And then I'm going to pop some blueberries on that. Make it look pretty. And there you have it. So hopefully today I've showed you how versatile Vetkoek is, and it is a great option to have as opposed to pasta or rice or naan bread or roti. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe that I have shown you today. Please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.